Welcome back to my channel, friends. I hope you have viewed my previous videos. If you have not, I'm leaving the link in the description. Those who are watching this channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon for channel updates. So let's get into business. Today we'll be looking at the relationship between the coefficients and zeros of a cubic polynomial. Consider the cubic polynomial p of x is equal to ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d with a not equal to 0. And let alpha, beta and gamma be the zeros and gamma be the zeros of p of x. That is x minus alpha, x minus beta and x minus gamma are the factors of p of x. Therefore we can write p of x as p of x is equal to k into x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma, where k is some constant. Where we choose k as a constant because often we have some coefficient associated with the cubic term. Okay, now that is, we have ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to k into x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. Now applying the distributive property and simplifying, we have k into x minus alpha into x minus gamma minus beta into x minus gamma. Now opening the inner brackets, we have k into x minus alpha into x square minus x gamma minus beta into x plus beta gamma. Now again applying the distributive property and simplifying x into x square minus gamma x minus beta x plus beta gamma minus alpha into x square minus x gamma minus beta x plus beta gamma. Now opening that brackets inside the square brackets, we have that's equal to k into x cube minus gamma x square minus beta x square plus beta gamma x minus alpha x square plus alpha gamma x plus alpha beta x minus alpha beta gamma. Now grouping the terms together, that is x cube terms together, x square x and the constant terms, we have k outside, k into x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus the constant term alpha beta gamma. Now we have that is equal to, taking the k inside, kx cube into k into alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus k into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma into x minus k into alpha beta gamma. So that is the simplification of that product that we have. Now let us compare them. Okay, now we have ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to kx cube minus k into alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus k into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus k into alpha beta gamma. Now let us compare the coefficients of these two polynomials, that is compare the coefficients of x cube, compare the coefficients of x square, compare the coefficients of x and comparing the constants. First we have a equal to k, b equal to minus k into alpha plus beta plus gamma, substituting the value of k, b equal to minus alpha into minus a into alpha plus beta plus gamma, then we have alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Similarly, c equal to k into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is equal to a into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Therefore we have alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. And last we have D equal to minus K into alpha beta gamma, that is minus A into alpha beta gamma. Therefore we have alpha beta gamma equal to D minus D by A. So let me write them together. So first we have alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus B by A. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to C by A. And alpha beta gamma equal to minus D by A. So that's it. So if you like this content, please don't forget to click the like button. Hope you like this content. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing, keep supporting, and spread happiness. Thank you once again.